Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best baby detergent is probably one of the most important choices you'll make for your little one. In this video, we're diving deep into 7th generation's baby detergent, exploring its ingredients, performance, and overall value. We'll cover everything from how well it tackles tough stains to its gentle touch on sensitive skin, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your family. Number 5. Rockin Green Baby Laundry Detergent. This laundry detergent is specially designed for delicate fabrics. It's non-toxic and all-natural, containing gentle enzymes that effectively remove dirt and odors without irritating sensitive skin. Made with plant-derived ingredients, it's dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. This unscented powder is ideal for delicate fabrics like baby clothes and cloth diapers. This detergent is perfect for parents using cloth diapers. You can use it in all types of washing machines and even as a soak to eliminate odors. Live a greener lifestyle with this baby-safe, 100% biodegradable powder. It's free of harsh chemicals and is vegan and cruelty-free. Join the Rockin Green movement and enjoy safe and reliable products. They are committed to creating economical, hardworking, and biodegradable cleaning products for every family. If you're not satisfied, customer support is available. What we like. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean for your baby's clothes. It's also specifically designed for cloth diapers, making it a great choice for eco-conscious parents. If you're looking for a detergent that's tough on stains but gentle on your baby's delicate skin and cloth diapers, this is the one for you. What people say. 7th generation baby detergent is designed to be gentle on baby's sensitive skin. The detergent is formulated to be free of dyes, fragrances, and artificial brighteners. It is a plant-based formula. Number 4. 7th generation baby laundry detergent, fresh scent. Introducing a concentrated baby laundry detergent designed to tackle those stubborn baby stains. This detergent is formulated to provide a powerful clean, ensuring your little one's clothes are spotless. This detergent is made with 97% plant-based ingredients, making it a gentle yet effective choice for your baby's delicate skin. It's a natural way to keep their clothes clean and fresh. It's a USDA-certified bio-based product, with 95% bio-based content. You can trust that it's made with sustainable and renewable resources, caring for your baby and the planet. This detergent is free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and artificial brighteners. It's designed to be gentle on your baby's clothes and skin, without any harsh chemicals. This detergent works great on all your baby's washables, including cloth diapers. It's a versatile solution for all your baby's laundry needs, keeping everything clean and fresh. What we like. This detergent is formulated to tackle those stubborn baby stains, ensuring your little one's clothes are always fresh and clean. With a high percentage of plant-based ingredients, it offers a powerful clean while being gentle on the environment. If you have a baby who loves to make a mess, this detergent will be your new best friend. What people say. It's done an excellent job on regular laundry and linens, including stains. Does not irritate sensitive skin. Does not leave any residue on clothes, which can lead to skin irritation. Number 3. Puracy Baby Laundry Detergent, free and clear, 16 ounces. This detergent is specially formulated for your baby's delicate clothes. It uses natural, plant-based ingredients to keep them soft and clean. It's safe for all fabrics. The formula is made with 99.4% plant-based ingredients, without harsh chemicals. This ensures that the clothes are cleaned gently. It is perfect for your baby's sensitive skin. One bottle provides up to 192 loads of laundry. The high-efficiency formula helps reduce plastic and water waste. You'll find it's both effective and eco-friendly. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free of many common irritants. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin. You can trust it to be gentle and effective. Puracy is committed to creating hypoallergenic, cruelty-free products. They are tested by experts and made in the USA. If you're not happy, they want to know. What we like. This detergent is made with almost entirely plant-based ingredients, making it a safe and gentle option for your baby's clothes. It's also scent-free, perfect for babies with sensitive skin or allergies. If you are looking for a detergent that is both effective and eco-friendly, this is a great choice. What people say. It cleans very well, leaves no residue, doesn't have any buildup in my washer dispenser. It cleans so well. Excellent at doing its job. It cleans really, really well. Clothes feels ultra clean and fresh. Number 2. Puracy Laundry Detergent, Fresh Linen, 16 fluid ounces. Tired of harsh chemicals? This laundry detergent offers a clean you can feel good about. It uses plant-powered ingredients to get your clothes fresh and clean. Created by doctors, this detergent is perfect for sensitive skin and allergy sufferers. It's free of harsh chemicals, so it's gentle on your skin. With 99.4% plant-powered ingredients, this detergent is tough on stains but gentle on the environment. You can use it on various fabrics and systems. This detergent avoids phosphates, sulfates, and other aggressive chemicals. It's a safe and effective choice for your family and the planet. This product is made in the USA and never tested on animals. It's a choice you can feel good about, knowing you're supporting quality and ethical practices. What we like. This detergent uses the power of enzymes to effectively remove stains, ensuring your clothes come out clean and fresh. It's also non-toxic and safe for those with sensitive skin. If you like a detergent that is both powerful and gentle, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It cleans very well, leaves no residue, doesn't have any buildup in my washer dispenser. It cleans so well. Excellent at doing its job. It cleans really, really well. Clothes feels ultra clean and fresh. Number 1. Puracy Free and Clear Laundry Detergent. This liquid laundry detergent provides the care your family deserves. The 16-ounce bottle offers up to 64 loads, ensuring thorough cleaning without any waste. Powered by plant-based enzymes and minerals, it's non-toxic and safe for sensitive skin. Your clothes will come out fresh, with a free and clear scent. Whether it's chocolate, grease, or mud, this detergent works effectively. It removes persistent stains, so you can enjoy your moment. This detergent cares for delicate baby clothes and sturdy denim. The gentle solution extends the life of your cherished garments with every wash. A team of chemists and PhDs prioritizes your family's safety. Using mineral and plant-based ingredients, it ensures peace of mind for homes with little ones and pets. What we like. This detergent is powered by plant-based enzymes, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. It's designed to tackle tough stains, from food spills to playground mud. If you are looking for a detergent that is gentle on fabrics, this is the one for you. What people say. The detergent effectively cleaned baby clothes. It is gentle on sensitive skin. The product is plant-based. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.